Hey you guys, I'm Cassie. Welcome to my channel where we talk adulting and mom life. So for today, I wanted to share with you guys 6 things that I thought were the worst buys that I made in 2019. I am a shopaholic. I can kind of talk myself into buying just about anything. I just thought this would be a fun, cool, funny video of the 6 top things that I bought that I shouldn't have bought in 2019. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get right into the video. The first thing I wanted to talk to you guys about as far as like the worst thing that I did or I bought in 2019 was a gym membership. I'm paying for but not going to Gains Health and Fitness. I used to go to UFit and it was like $10 a month was like the basic one, and then you can upgrade to $20, which is what the one that I got, so that you could bring guests anytime. You know, it was a nice setup. I knew most of the people there because I was going pretty frequently, and my brothers go there, so it was kind of easy to always have a gym partner. I don't know, it was nice, but I just got tired of it. Like, I wanted a new gym. I thought it would be so much nicer and cooler because I have a baby. If I could go to the gym with her. UFit didn't provide that. Like, they don't have a daycare center, but Gains Health and Fitness does. So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna switch because, you know, I'm gonna take the baby with me and it's a bigger gym and there's more of them, etc, etc, etc. Ended up only going for like that first month and then never went back. So right now for Gains Health and Fitness, I am paying $56 a month. You guys do the math. I'm sure it's well over $500 a year that I'm paying for a gym that I'm not even using. Compared to the little $20, that's crazy. And then the funny story is, so I went to the gym with Kaylani. You know, she was probably around 3-4 months at the time, and you can start bringing them to the daycare as soon as I think 6 weeks. Great gym. I think it's so nice. The reason why it's on my list is because I just never go, so I'm paying for something I don't use. So she was 3 months and I finally decided, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm take her with me. Took her with me. Next week she was sick as a dog, like coughing, congested. I was scared one night. I like stayed up the whole night, like just suctioning her constantly, putting the little saline drops in her nose because she went to the daycare and got whatever it is that they have and took it home. So now I don't even take her there at all. So that first little, oh yeah, like I'm gonna take her with me, you know, my little excuse as to why I needed to go to another gym is completely out the window. And then number 2, with UFit, I was paying $20 and I could bring whoever I wanted. Gains Health and Fitness, they don't do that. This is exclusive shit. So I can't bring anybody with me to the gym. So the only people that I can go to the gym with are people that already have a membership, and unfortunately I don't know that many people that have a membership. I kind of have to like motivate myself to go, which isn't as fun and makes me not ever really want to go. And then the third thing, it's just expensive. Like, why? I don't know why I thought that was a good idea, but I'm like, dang, like I'm paying for this gym and I've yet to use it. I've used it, well, 1 month. The problem is I want to quit, but you have to pay like $129 to quit. Whereas at UFit, when I quit, it was $10 and I walked out. But it's different when you're talking about $100-something. Yeah, that's my first thing. The first stupid buy for Cassie is a ridiculous amount on my gym membership. Second thing that I wanted to talk about, my worst buys of 2019 is, again, a gym thing, Bowflex weights. Like, you know the Bowflex weights where it's like it's like a dumbbell, and they have like different levels to it, but all you have to do, I think, is like you twist it or something like that to make the weight higher. So going back to the gym situation, since I didn't want to go to the gym, I was like, okay, I didn't want to go to the gym, I didn't want to take Kaylani to the gym because I didn't want her getting sick. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do home gym or home workouts. So I was like, oh, that would be fun if I had weights here. You know, I'm looking online at the weights, and there's like the $10 weights, the $20 little weights. I ran across the Bowflex website, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is what I need. Now I can switch the weights to any that I want. I talked myself into buying these Bowflex weights because I figured if I bought them, then I could store them nicely and I wouldn't have like so many weights, and I can switch them easily because they're like one set, etc, etc. But what I didn't think about is, number one, I'm a female, so I'm probably gonna use maybe like 20 pounds, 25 pounds at most, and then I'm gonna be done. Number two, I don't like doing the, what is this called? Bicep curl. I don't like doing all this arm workouts. Like all the arm workouts, I hate doing them. I only do squats. It was like a stupid idea to buy weights that I'm never gonna use. Like I'm not gonna use that. So they've been sitting in the box. I'm gonna go show you guys the box because I think it's so funny. Hold on. Sorry, this thing is broken, so we're gonna throw it away, but this is my Bowflex thing. So if anybody actually wants and actually will use weights, come over to Cassie's house. She got them. So yeah, so that is the second worst buy of 2019, is Bowflex weights that are still in the box that I actually ended up not having room for, and I'm not strong enough to like lift them out the box to put them anywhere, so they're sitting outside. The third worst buy of 2019 is dun, 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 Gucci shoes. I don't know who I thought I was with these little shoes. Like, actually, I got them on December 25th for Christmas. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get me something nice, I'm gonna splurge. Like, what is that thing that people say? Treat yourself. That's what I was trying to think of. I'm gonna treat myself. I'm gonna get me some Gucci shoes. I bought them, I treated myself, and $500 later, I have worn those shoes twice, and that's it. Because 2019 was the year that Gucci, I guess, came out with whatever it was that happened. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I can't wear them as much anymore. 2019 is also the year that I got pregnant, and everyone failed to mention that my feet would also spread and freaking swell. So I couldn't even fit the shoes. Like when they got here, they were like, you know, they were snug, but I could still wear them. But after my pregnancy, well, during my pregnancy, I wore them one time, but after 6 months, I couldn't wear them anymore. And now I probably can wear them. I haven't even tried. I haven't even tried, you guys. I thought those shoes were like the cutest shoes. I was gonna wear them every day. They were gonna be like my go-to little flats, and I've only worn them twice. So yeah, that is the third worst buy for 2019 for Cassie. When I brought these shoes home, my family laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed because they're like, $500 for what? They probably aren't worth $500, but I still love how they look. Fourth worst buy of 2019, you guys, I got freaking scammed in 2019. So another $500 purchase, little Palm Spring backpack. You guys know the one. Palm Spring backpack, you guys. Louis Vuitton came out with this backpack, and I wanted it so bad. Like everywhere I went, I saw this backpack, and I was like, oh my god, like this is perfect for me, like the straps, like it's different. Oh my gosh, I absolutely loved seeing this everywhere. Like, wanted this backpack, couldn't get enough of it, but it was also $2,000, right? So I was like, okay, can afford $2,000. Ain't got that. Ain't got it. But let me look on eBay and see if I could get one like used, pre-loved as they like to say. So I looked on eBay, I found one. To me it looked real legit. Oh man, this thing's already messing up too. Ew. Sorry. Looked pretty legit, you know. It looked like it was an actual person's hand holding it, etc. They opened it up, did all this stuff, and made me think that it was real. And it was only $500, you guys. So I'm like, you know what? I might not have $2,000, but $500 is a steal for a real legitimate backpack, Palm Spring. Let me get it. I was so excited to get this backpack in the mail. But soon as I got it out the box and I felt it, this is a fake. This is as fake get. I'm not okay with the fact that it's a fake. That is why it's been sitting in my brother's car for at least 6 months now, because I can't take it back. I tried. I messaged the guy who sold it to me, or girl, I don't know, the person who sold it to me, but they will not reply or reply to me anymore, and they did not want to give me my money back. So I had to call eBay and do all this stuff to get my money back, but it's still here, and I have yet to warn it, because I'm like, I don't want to, like, everybody gonna know this a fake. But you know what, I'm looking at it on camera and I'm like, maybe I'll wear it now. Now that I done told everybody it ain't legit, let me wear it. But yeah, so that was my 4th purchase. That was a worst buy in 2019. Fake Louis on accident. You guys, y'all don't know, like, I am a sucker when it comes to buying stuff. Like, I buy shit I don't even understand. And then it's like this backpack, I heard in the reviews that the zipper, it was really hard to like open it up. The zipper gets stuck. So oh gosh, I think I'm gonna wear it. We'll see. We'll see. Now let's move on to my 5th worst buy in 2019. So I put this on here not because I don't love it, because I do. The reason why I put it on here is because of the price. It was really expensive and I don't think it's worth as much as I paid for it. So I don't think anyone knows this, but I know you guys know that I live with my parents, but recently I turned the living room into my bedroom because I needed more space. And we have an extra room that's like the actual living room now. But anyways, I needed more space, so I turned the living room into my bedroom. Well, obviously it's a living room. It didn't have a closet, so I was looking online for like closets and things to make into closets, etc., etc. Well, I could only find this one thing that I really like. The only problem is it was really expensive. I fought with myself. I was like, no, Cassie, don't get it. Like, it's too expensive. What are you doing? Why are you doing this to yourself? Etc., etc. And I'm like, you know what? You only live once and I can't find anything else that I like, so let me do it. So like a whole freaking dummy, I paid $700 for these closets. Let me show y'all. So $700, you guys. That's ridiculous, right? Okay, so these things, these tall things right here, have one on each side. There's one on that side too. That is what I'm using as my closet. And I mean, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. It holds all my stuff perfectly. But $700? Come on now. Come on. And then it's from IKEA. So I had to build it myself. So this one came out pretty nice. But this one right here, this one leaning. Y'all see that? I have to take it back. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do that. Sorry for the mess, by the way. It was mighty expensive. I had to say mighty a couple times so y'all know I don't condone the expensiveness that is my closets. Like, I don't know why I thought that was a good idea, but I honestly would have been just as happy with the $100 ones that I found on Amazon. Like, I really didn't need $700 worth of closet. Like, I would have been fine with $100 worth or $40 worth. So that is my 5th worst buy in 2019. Are you guys ready for my 6th worst buy of 2019? I can't show you this one, but it was a Challenger, you guys. I bought myself a car really in 2018, but the reason why I put it for 2019 is because, sorry. The reason why I put it for 2019, even though I know it was technically I bought it in 2018, is because I had to trade it in order to get another car. So that was just like financial suicide. Oh Lord. But yes, I bought a Dodge Challenger. So I had paid off, I had a Kia Optima, bought it when I was 21. Whoop whoop, was working like 2 jobs, paid it off, and then I decided, well, there's a lot that happened that's personal, but I decided, let me put $2,000, I still kept my Kia Optima, but let me put $2,000 down and buy a whole new other car. You had a paid off car, but you decide to buy a whole another car. You can't drive both. Like, what was the point? I bought the Dodge Challenger. I was happy with it. I mean, I hated the payments, but I was like, okay, it's fine. I'll pay it off and everything will be okay. And then I got pregnant. And you can't have a freaking, well, you can, but it's inconvenient as fuck to have a low riding 2-door coupe with a baby. So I had to trade that in, and now I ride in a 4-door car. But it's like, why did I do that? That was dumb. That was dumb in so many levels of dumb. I did that. I think I like, once I hit like 7 or 8 months, I went to the dealership and said, okay, I gotta give this car up. And I gave it up and I bought me a Maxima. I have a Nissan now, and it's beautiful and I love that car, but I should have just kept my Kia Optima. That is it. That is all 6. This was a really short video, but I'm just glad that I got to do it on time for you guys. And yeah, see me on the next one. That is my 6 worst buys in 2019, you guys. Have a good one. Bye.